If you're having issues purchasing the Lattice currency in Marvel Rivals, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So follow this tutorial very carefully. The first step you need to try is close Marvel Rivals and restart Steam. So just close Marvel Rivals. Then you can close Steam from here. Just right click on the Steam icon and then exit Steam. After exit Steam, then you can try to relaunch Steam and then try to restart Marvel Rivals to see if the issue can be resolved. So close Marvel Rivals and restart Steam. After restarting Steam, try to check if the issue for purchasing Lattice currency has been resolved. If you're still having the same problem, then enable Steam overlay. Now to enable Steam overlay is simple. Just open Steam. Now click here on the Steam icon and go to settings. Now on the setting, go here which is written in game and make sure enable the Steam overlay while in game. So make sure it's enabled here. After that, try to purchase to see if the issue has been fixed. If you're still having the same issue even after enable Steam overlay, then clear the download cache. To clear the download cache for your Steam, just come here again on the Steam icon, then go to your settings, then select downloads and then just clear download cache. So as you see here, clear the download cache. After that, try to relaunch the game to see if the issue has been fixed. Also, another thing you need to try is try to change the payment method. So you can try to change the payment method and try to see if the issue can also be resolved. If you followed all the steps correctly, but you're still having again the same issue, then the last step is contact Marvel Rivals support. So if you followed all the steps correctly and you haven't fixed your issue, then you can try to contact Marvel Rivals support. So it's not yourself. A lot of people are having this problem. As you can see on the Marvel Rivals subreddit, a lot of people are reporting on this issue. You can contact Marvel Rivals through the Discord channel. If you go to their website, you'll be linked to their Discord channel and you can contact them from there.